Shot comes in!
Great goal. Great goal.
Jordan Antonio Brown! His first goal for Trebol FC.
We go higher, non-stop. Take it to the top, even when the ball drops. My man, we go higher. It's time to go higher.
Bashish. Massive chance. Amin Sassi! 2-0, Trebol FC leads. What a chance to break. Brian Lee, key shots. To pull this back in 2-1. Brian Lee scores. There's one back. Shot from that far out. Will win a corner. 3 corners means penalty. And I'll tell you what, that was going top corner from Isaac Modi. Well, here he comes, their top goal scorer for Trebol FC, who continues scoring goals here in Baller League. Isaac Modi, great feat. Is the angle too tight for a finish? No! It is not. 4-1 Trebol FC leads. And with this result, they would go into the top 4 tonight. Riley, 4 goals last week, scores this one. 2 goals. Amin Sassi! Rockets! On the right foot. Look, they need 3 goals in 5 minutes. Varney De Silva, 2-minute suspension for that little push on Charlie Wakefield.
We go higher, non-stop. Take it to the top, even when the ball drops. My man, we go higher. It's time to go higher.
Amin Sassi. Corner. Well, that will do us by the looks of it. Trebol FC will make it 3 wins in a row. The momentum off the back of that United win last week has carried them through to a 5-2 win here tonight against M5 FC.